I plan to cover this, guys. Yeah. Put something in here. Try to do cross stitch. Martin. Before is I do cross stitch, guys. I have a lot of cross stitch. Yeah, I made this simple Martin. Cross stitch my family name here, Martin. This is simple. I like the frame, it's so beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Oh, my picture. I think when I was young. See? Did you see this? Yeah. Maybe I will replicate this. Maybe I do painting. This is cross stitch, guys. Look at that. This is beautiful. Yeah. And then this. Oh, look at that. It's not easy, guys. Look at that. Look at the back. You know, if you buy this, so expensive in the shop. So this is my treasures, guys. My artwork and my cross stitch. Yeah. And then get ready to hang to the house. And yeah, look at that. Yeah. And then another one. Still have this. So beautiful. Look at that. So yeah. I think I have 4 seasons of this, but I give away the one. Still have 2 here. 4 season. This one is for summer. Yeah. See? It's not easy to do. This is cross stitch. Look at that. So here, 1. Still have 2 unfinished. Put it back. I put in the box, guys. Yeah. So I put in here. I think this when I'm 25, this picture. Oh my god. Okay. This is my treasures, guys. Yeah. It's only a short video, and thank you for watching.